Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get your Outlook inbox to automatically refresh so you never miss an important email. Let's jump right in. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app on your computer and log into your account. Once you're logged in, give it a moment to fully load all your emails into your inbox. You'll want to make sure everything is properly loaded before moving forward with the automatic refresh settings. Now that your emails have loaded, look towards the top part of your screen where all your tools and menus are located. You'll see several tabs displayed horizontally across the interface. Navigate to the Send/Receive tab and click on it. This tab is specifically designed to control how and when Outlook sends and receives your emails, which is exactly what we need to configure the automatic refresh feature. Once you've clicked on the Send/Receive tab, the menu will open up and display several options. In this menu, you'll see a drop-down labeled Send/Receive Groups. Go ahead and click on this drop-down to reveal additional configuration options. These options give you more control over how Outlook handles your email synchronization across different groups and accounts. After clicking the dropdown, you'll see a list of available options appear on your screen. From this list, locate and click on Define Send/Receive Groups. This option opens up a dedicated window where you can customize exactly how often Outlook checks for new messages and updates your inbox. It's the key setting for automating the refresh process. Once the Send/Receive Groups window appears, take a look at the bottom part of this window. You'll notice a checkbox labeled Schedule Automatic Send/Receive Every with a selector field right next to it. This is the exact setting you need to configure your automatic inbox refresh. The checkbox enables the automatic refresh feature, while the selector field lets you specify how frequently you want Outlook to check for new emails. Simply click on the selector field and input a numerical value in minutes. For example, if you want your inbox to refresh every 5 minutes, just type 5 into the field. If you prefer a longer interval like 15 or 30 minutes, you can set that too. The choice depends on how frequently you need to stay updated with incoming emails. Choose an interval that works best for your workflow without overwhelming your system with constant refresh requests. After you've entered your desired refresh interval, click the Close button to save your settings and exit the Send/Receive Groups window. Your configuration is now active, and Outlook will automatically refresh your inbox based on the time interval you just set. This means you'll receive new emails without having to manually click the Send/Receive button every time you want to check for updates. And that's it. Your Outlook inbox is now set to automatically refresh at your chosen interval, keeping you up to date with all your incoming messages. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.